Um, okay guys, right now I got this half a kilo of soybeans, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on water for about 8 hours, and then tomorrow I'm gonna make it. So step by step, I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step. But for now, just go ahead and take a look at this. This is soybeans from the market I got earlier. I'm gonna soak that for at least 12 hours. And then from there, I'm gonna start doing that. Okay, so just see you tomorrow, guys. Okay, after, let's say, 16, 18 hours of soaking it on the water, so it's gonna look like this. It got bigger, and it seems like, it's a lot. Yeah, I never thought that there's gonna be this much, So I'm gonna do right now is, I'm gonna put it on a blender. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is how it looks now. After 16, 18 hours. Okay, now that I'm getting everything ready. So the trick is, when I have this juicer right here, it's super speed right here. I got this from the States. It's a 110 volt, so I'm gonna have to use this transformer right here. So I had a 110, so okay, here we go. So this is the next step, guys. So I just put water about 3 inches over the beans. So I start blending it. Guys, blend it. That's how you blend it. Five, 10. Okay guys, so after all the blending, see, this is how it's gonna look. I got some foam on the top, so that's okay. So I'm gonna get that later. Okay, so now let's put this on the stove and heat it up for about 20 to 25 minutes. Simmer it for 20 to 25 minutes, and the finished product will be hot. So I guess you guys can see this one. Okay, now so it's boiling a little bit, so I'm gonna turn down the heat just a bit right there. So it's still gonna be a few more minutes. I turned on the heat already, so it's gonna be just a few more minutes. And then what I do is I'm gonna taste it. So it's up to you if you're gonna add sugar and everything. So I do need sugar, so I'm gonna have to put that, because why I'm doing all this? It's for my wife. She's pregnant, so I searched on Google how to do soy milk, because the doctor said soy milk is good for for pregnant women. So I'm doing this for her, so I'm gonna have me a lot of soy milk. So at the same time, I'm gonna have to put it in a video, so I can just post it on YouTube, so everybody can see it and they know how to do it step by step. Okay, that's a finished product right there. So I'll put a little bit of sugar, and I still got some more. I got some more cookies right here, and I had some in the rice cooker right here. So I still got more to go. But at the same time, I got me some right here in my cup. So I'm gonna taste it. I put a little bit of sugar, so I don't know how it tastes. So I'm gonna go ahead and it's good. It's good. Okay, that's a finished product right there. So I'll put a little bit of sugar, and I still got some more. I got some more cookies in here, and I had some in the rice cooker right here. So I still got more to go. But at the same time, you know, I got me some right here in my cup. So I'm gonna taste it. I put a little bit of sugar, so I don't know how it tastes. So I'm gonna go ahead and it's good. It's good.